Master digital marketing? Become an expert from scratch. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, there's a lot to learn and grow from this channel. We're all about that hustle, that grind, that relentless pursuit of becoming the best versions of ourselves. And you know what's a damn good way to do that? Mastering the game of digital marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to teach yourself digital marketing and become an in-demand expert. We're talking about building skills that companies are throwing money at, skills that can take you from zero to hero in the online world. Want to break into digital marketing but don't know where to start? Good news. You don't need a degree to become an expert. You can teach yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to learn digital marketing from scratch and build the skills that top employers and clients are looking for in 2025. Whether you want to land a high-paying job, start freelancing, or launch your own online business, these tips will set you on the right path. Alright, let's break this down. First things first, you gotta understand what digital marketing actually is. It's not just about posting on Instagram, alright? It's a whole ecosystem. Think SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, paid advertising, the whole 9 yards. Each of these areas is a beast in itself. But don't get overwhelmed, we're gonna tackle them one by one. Look, digital marketing is like the electricity of the business world today. It's everywhere, it's essential, and everybody needs it. Companies, big and small, are dying for skilled digital marketers who can bring them leads, customers, and ultimately, more revenue. You get this right, you're looking at a high-income skill set that can take you places you never thought possible. And the best part? You don't need some fancy degree to break in. Forget the outdated education system. The internet is your university now. Everything you need to know is available online for free. You just gotta be hungry enough to go get it. This is about taking control of your future, your career, your life. You can work for someone else, build their dreams, or you can learn these skills and build your own damn empire. The choice is yours. Now I'm gonna tell you something most gurus won't tell you. You learn by doing, not by watching. You can watch all the tutorials in the world, but until you get your hands dirty, you're not really learning. So how do you get experience without a job? I got you. First off, start a blog. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a place where you can start creating content and learning about SEO. Figure out how to get your articles ranking on Google. It's a crash course in understanding how search engines work. Next up, social media. This is your playground to experiment. Create profiles on different platforms, try different content formats, see what resonates, grow an audience, engage with them, build a community. And here's the kicker offer to work for free. Yeah, you heard me right. Find friends, family members, local businesses, anyone who will let you get your hands dirty with their digital presence. Offer to run their social media, manage their SEO, whatever you can do to get practical experience. Once you've got some projects under your belt, hit up freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Start with small gigs, build your reputation, get testimonials. It's all about building that snowball of experience. And don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Set goals, rank a blog post, grow a social media following, run a small ad campaign. The more you push yourself, the faster you learn. Chapter 3. Look, nobody's going to take you seriously if you can't show them the receipts. That's why building a portfolio is crucial. This is your digital resume, your highlight reel, your chance to show off what you can do. First things first, document your journey. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to share your learnings, your wins, your failures. Be transparent, be authentic, be yourself. People connect with people, not robots. Next, build a website. This is your online home, your showcase. Feature your best work, your case studies, testimonials from clients. Make it clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Speaking of case studies, these are your secret weapon. Document the work you've done, the results you've achieved, show how you took a business from point A to point B using your digital marketing skills. Numbers don't lie, people, and don't be afraid to share your knowledge. Write blog posts, create YouTube videos, teach others what you're learning. The more you give, the more you get back in this game. Remember, personal branding is everything in the digital age. You're not just selling your skills, you're selling yourself. So build a brand that's authentic, valuable, and impossible to ignore. Chapter 4. Look, I know I said you don't need a degree, and you don't. But certifications? Certifications add that extra layer of credibility, that stamp of approval that can make you stand out from the crowd. The good news is, there are tons of free and affordable certifications out there. Google Ads, Facebook Blueprint, HubSpot inbound marketing, SEMrush SEO certification, the list goes on. Get certified in the areas you're passionate about and watch your credibility skyrocket. Now it's time to put yourself out there. Start applying for jobs, internships, freelance gigs, whatever you can get your hands on. Don't be afraid to start small. Every bit of experience counts. Remember, your portfolio and your personal brand are your secret weapons in the job market. Highlight your skills, your experience, and your passion for digital marketing. And don't be afraid to network. Attend industry events, connect with people online, reach out to your heroes. You never know what doors might open. The key is to be persistent, be relentless, be hungry. The opportunities are out there, but you gotta go get them. Chapter 5. Listen up because this is crucial. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why you gotta be a lifelong learner in this game. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies. Read industry blogs like Neil Patel, Moz, HubSpot, Search Engine Journal, listen to podcasts and watch YouTube channels like Google Marketing, Ahrefs, and yeah, you guessed it, yours truly. Experiment with new platforms, new features, new tactics. Don't be afraid to try things out, to fail, to learn from your mistakes. That's how you stay ahead of the curve. Attend conferences, workshops, webinars, whatever you can do to immerse yourself in the industry. Surround yourself with smart, ambitious people who push you to be better. Remember, learning never stops in digital marketing. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. So stay curious, stay hungry, and keep pushing the boundaries. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Mastering digital marketing takes work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But let me tell you something, it's worth it. This is a skill set that can change your life. It can give you freedom, flexibility, and the ability to build a career on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of. Which area of digital marketing are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more fire content, and I'll see you in the next video.